are you doing? Yeah, I'm at the farmers. I want to buy some medicine. Not feeling well. I'm feeling nauseous. Yeah, I have like marasmus. Like, I don't know. I just feel dizzy somewhere. So I'm right there at the pharmacy. This is my crib, guys. This is my crib. This is my crib. This is my crib. This is my crib. This is my crib, Bimba. This is my crib. You think I'm lying? You think I'm lying? I'm not feeling well, but this is, I just want to say, this is my crib. This is my crib.
Your driver.
Hi, guys. Say hi to my pastor, Pastor Teresa. Better Teresa, but Teresa. I'm going to miss you, Pastor Teresa.
I'm going to miss you too.
I love you so much.
I love you more.